Hi there folks, and welcome to the word solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 201. So in a response to the coronavirus pandemic, the Arsenal first team players, head coach and other core coaching staff have agreed a 12.5% pay cut. So what is this as a fraction in its simplest form? So of course 12.5% means 12.5 out of 100, and we now need to go about simplifying this fraction. So in order to simplify a fraction, you need the smallest possible whole number that you can get on the top. So we've got a decimal number here, so we could make it a whole number by multiplying top and bottom by 10, but I think it's a lot easier if we actually just double this to get 25. And then of course to create a proper equivalent fraction, we need to double the bottom as well to get 200. And then we can simplify this further just by dividing top and bottom by 25. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. And if you count up in 25s until you get to 200, you'll find that that's using 8 fingers. So 12.5% is 1 over 8. So an eighth of the pay they've taken it as a cut. So good gesture there from the Arsenal players. So on to our second story. Superman's celebrating his 82nd birthday. And of course, as you should know, we love superheroes at Rigour Maths, and Superman is our second favourite of all time. And I think that's just because I like this statement here, that Superman serves as a reminder that we all have a superhero within us. Now, that could mean going on to do some extra special things in your life. We don't necessarily mean that you're 36 years old and you're dressing up in a superhero costume, prancing about pretending you're an actual superhero. I think the least said about that, the better, yeah? Anyway, what's Superman's date of birth? So it was his 82nd birthday 9 days ago. So 9 days ago from the 26th of April is the 17th. It's still obviously going to be April, so that's going to be 04. And because he's had his birthday this year, to get his year of birth, we just have to take 82 away from 2020. So that would be 1938. So happy birthday to Superman, and we'll maybe run a similar story when it's Rigour Man's fifth birthday, who knows. But anyway, on to our entertainment story. I mean, we love The Chase, and obviously our friends at The Chase gave us those wonderful pictures a few years ago. So it's definitely a good way to keep your maths up and indeed your general knowledge during these difficult times. So part A, how many sides do a decagon, an octagon and an onagon have in total? So decagon is a 10-sided polygon, octagon's an 8 and nonagon's a 9, and if we add all them up we get 27. So well done if you got that, but remember in the context of The Chase, speed was everything there. So part B, this was right at the climax of the game, where if the team had answered it correctly they would have won. So what mathematical term comes from the Latin word for touch? So it's not calculus, it's not tessellation. Do you know what it is? Well, maybe our higher maths pupils might know. So a tangent was actually the correct answer there. So part C, on to Fridays. What's the only whole number between 2 and 10 whose name starts with a vowel? So of course that's going to be 8. And then the Dart Destroyer, and we apologise for giving him a wee bit of a slag in here, but it was too easy a question that he got wrong not to feature. So he said if a car's travelling 60 miles per hour, then in 1 minute it would travel 2 miles. Of course he's incorrect. So can we explain it? Well, something along the lines of 60 miles in 60 minutes, so 1 mile in 1 minute, which means that the correct answer was B there. Anyway, on to our final story, and I thought this was a great one. So the Italian football team Pescara ran a competition to ease boredom during lockdown, where kids could design their new football strip, and we Luigi from Italy designed this design here. So we've got a wee patterns question involving football strips here. So it's all to do with vertical stripes, and each top has to represent a different football team, even when the pattern starts to repeat itself. So we've got Juventus, Sunderland, Huddersfield Town, and then we need another football team that plays in vertical black and white stripes. So did you manage to come up with one? Well, here was a few that you could have chose. We'll make a wee plug for St Mirren from Paisley, of course, but there were quite a few other teams that you could have picked there. But anyway, folks, there you have it, our word solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour. We hope you got on okay with this week's questions. We'll see you next week for some more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.